Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. We studied our logo commands. What is the long form of logo? Language of graphic oriented, right? And we studied the commands. We studied different commands. Now we will solve the skill sheet. We will see here. Open your skill sheet, page number 3. What is the first number is? Fill in the blanks. First number question is fill in the blanks. The dash dash command is used to change the color of turtle's pen. Which command is used to change the colors? Change the color of turtle pen. Which command? Yes, it is set PC. SETPC. Set PC. Now second one. The dash dash command is used to display any word or sentence on the screen. If you want to display any word or sentence, which command is useful for displaying this sentence or word? Good. In notebook, without pen or pencil, we cannot write. Same like that, if you want to write in logo, then we must have to write print. What is the spelling of print? PRINT, print. Next, the shortcut of forward and back command are dash dash and dash dash respectively. What is the short form of forward command? Forward means FD, right? And what is the short form of backward command? BK, right? Forward is for FD and BK, backward means BK. Next one is the dash dash command erase the picture and brings the turtle back to the home position. If you want to erase our graphic window, if you want to clear this graphic window, if you want to everything from the graphic window, then which command is useful for us? Yes, clear screen. CS. Clear screen. CLEAR. Clear screen. SCREEN. Clear screen is useful for erase the graphic window, or turtle is come back to our home position. Now next one is the dash dash command display the current day, date and time. Which command display the current day, date and time? Anyone can remember? We learn. Yes, good. Time command display the current day, date and time. What is the spelling of time? TIME, time. Now next one, RT and LT are the shortcut command for dash dash and dash dash respectively. What is the long form of RT? What is the long form of RT? Yes, right. RIGST, right. And what is the use of right or RT? If you want to move the turtle to the right side, that time we are using the RT. Now LT, what is the use of LT? Yes, if you want to move the turtle towards the left side, that time we are using the LT. And what is the long form of LT? Left side. Left. LEFT, left. Now last one, fill in the blanks, is the dash dash command is used to make the turtle reappear on the screen of the graphic window. If we hide the turtle and we want to see this turtle once again, then which command is useful for reappear or see the turtle once again on the graphic window? Which command? Show turtle. SHOW, show, TURTLE, show turtle means which command? ST. We are using ST command. What is the short form of show turtle? ST. This ST command is used to make the turtle appear on the screen of the graphics window. We can write here as T, show turtle. And for if you don't want to see this turtle on the graphic window, then which command we are using? HT, hide turtle. Up to here, everyone get it? Now our second number question is fill in the blanks. First number is, you can draw any shape in logo. It is true or false? We can draw any shapes in logo, yes or no? Yes. Then it is true or false? We have to make the tick for the true and cross for the false. Then it is true or false? It is true. Then we must have to do here tick. When you are writing in skill sheet, you must have to use a pencil. By using pencil, write. Now second number, the number 6 represent yellow color for the turtle pen. Number 6 is represent yellow color, true or false? Learn this chart, means which color having which number. Learn this chart, then you understand it is true or false. It is on the page number 12 in book, right? We learn now only, we studied now only which color having which number. Now it is true or false? 6 color having yellow color? Yes, see in your book it is true. Then we do here tick. Now next number, the quotient command is used to multiply number. Quotient is useful for multiply the numbers? No, quotient is useful for dividation. Then it is true or false? It is false. Then cross here. Now D1, set PC command is used to change the color of the pen. Set PC, by using set PC we can change the color of turtle's pen. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. Then we must have to do here tick. Now next one is a PT is short form of print command. PT is a short form of print command? No. Then what is the short form of print? PR. If you want to print, then that time we are using the PR command. PR is a short form of print, not a PT. Then it is true or false? It is false. Now last one, true or false. The RT command moves the head of the turtle in the left direction. RT command is useful for turn the head of turtle to the left direction. It is true or false? It is false. RT command is move the turtle towards the right side, not a left side. And if you want to move the turtle to the left side, then which command is useful? Yes, LT, not a RT. RT is for right side. Now next one. What is the third number question? Write the commands for performing this calculation. If you want to do this calculation in logo, then which command we have to pass to the logo, then our output will be displayed. If you want to do which sign it is? If you want to do addition, then what is the instruction or what is the command for this addition? Yes, sum. Then print sum, it having only two numbers, then directly we can write here 5, 6. Print sum 5, 9. It is 9, not a 6, sorry. 5, 9. Right? Now B1, 42 divided by 6. Which command we pass to the logo for doing this division? Yes, quotient. Then what command will become here? Print quotient 42 and 6. It is 2 number only, then directly we can pass. Now next one is also dividation. Then which command we will use in logo? Quotient. Print quotient 460 and 10. Print quotient 460 10. Now this fourth one is, it is which sign? It is multiplication, right? What we are using? Multiplication. If you want to do in multiplication in logo, then which command we are using? Product, right? Then what command will become here? Print product 26 5. We can write here directly. Why? Because it having only 2 numbers. If more than 2 numbers, that time we can use the bracket. Now next one is which sign? It is difference. Means it is print difference 45 and 35. It is now next one is addition. For the addition, what we are using? Sum. Means print sum and numbers 48. Next one is also dividation. What we are using for dividation? Yes, quotient. Print quotient 60 12. Now last one is which sign? It is multiplication, right? Multiplication. What we are using for multiplication? We are using for multiplication product. Print product 60 and 20. Means which number is given here, we can write here directly, but for these operations we have to perform in logo, and logo understand only logo instructions or logo command. That's why we must have to use product. If it is addition, then sum. If it is division, then quotient. If it is subtraction, then difference. Now we will see fourth number question. Write the output of the command that appear after performing them on the MSW logo. We have to execute, we have to do in logo, and that time we have to see the output. You only say what is the first number is print, and logo is not a case sensitive. Means the operation means which command we are passing, that we can write in a capital letters also or in small letter also. Print I like to draw on logo. Then what output will become here? What output will become here? It is one sentence, right? It is one sentence. Then what output will become? I like to draw on logo. I like to draw on logo. This output will be come here. Next, print sum 30 and 6. Then what output will become here? It will add this 30 and 6. Then what will it display? It display only 36. But where it display? In recall list box or in graphic window? Good, in recall list box. Next is a print difference 72 and 12. Difference means what? Subtraction. 72 minus 12. Then what output will become? 60. It display only 60. Now next one is a D1, print quotient 45 9. What is mean by quotient? Quotient means dividation. Then what output will become? 5. Output will become 5. 9 5s are 45. Now next one is a print product 65 10. Product means multiplication. 65 multiplied by 10. Then what output will become? 650. Next one is a print. We studied. We can directly write this command. Otherwise, we can write this sign also for doing operation or for doing calculation. Print 12. This sign which sign it is? Addition and 5. Then what output will be displayed here? 12 plus 5. Then output will be 17. Now next, print 36 divided by 6. Then output will be 6. 6 is the 36. Next, print 75 minus 60. Then output will be 75 minus 60. Output will be 15. 15. Then next one is a print 55 multiplied by 12. 55 multiplication 12. Then output will be 660. Now next and last, print 66 divided by 11. 66 divided by 11. Then output will be 6. We have to do this in logo, and then their output will be displayed in recall list box, not in graphic window. Now next one is we have to write full form. Short form is given and we have to write full form of this short form. Write the full form of following shortcut command. First one is HT. What is the long form of HT? Hide turtle. HT, hide turtle. Then what is the long form of HT? Hide turtle. Next one is a FD. What is the long form of FD? Yes, forward. FORWARD, forward. Next one is a RT. RT means, yes, RT means right. RIGST, right. If you want to move the turtle to the right side, that time we are using RT. Now next one is a LT. What is the long form of LT? Left. LEFT, left. Next one is a BK. BK means, what is the long form of BK? Backward. BACKWORD, backward. Now next one is a ST. HT means hide turtle, and then ST means show turtle. Show turtle. SHOWTURTLE, show turtle. Now next one is a PR. What is the long form of PR? Print. PRINT, print. Now next one is a PE. PE means pen erase. If you want to erase the given or if you want to erase the line, that time we are using the pen erase, means PE, pen erase. Next one is a PU. PU means good. PU means pen up. Next one is a PD. PD means, PU means pen up, then PD means pen down. Next one is a CS. CS means clear screen. If you want to clear the screen, if you want to clear the graphic window, that time we are using CS, clear screen. Graphic window is, if you want to clear the graphic window, that time we are using the CS. But if you want to erase the recall list box, that time we are using the CT. And what is the long form of CT? Clear text. What is the long form of CT? Clear text. Understand? HD, HT, hide turtle. FD, forward. RT, right. LT, left. BK, backward. ST, show turtle. PR, print. PE, pen erase. PU, pen down. PD, pen down. Sorry, PU, pen up. PD, pen down. CS, clear screen. CT, clear text. Understand difference between CS and CT. If you want to erase the graphic window, that time we are using CS. if we want to clear the recall list box, that time we are using the clear text means CT. Now 6th number question. Try this command on MSW logo, check the output and tick the correct answer. First one is means it is like a multiple choice question. Which answer will be correct, we have to tick this answer. First number is print product 5 4. What is the first number question is print product 5 4. What is mean by product? Product means multiplication. Then 5 into 4. What output will become? 5 into 4 20. Then which one is a 20? First one is only 20. Then we must have to tick here for 20. Product means multiplication. 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Then output will be 20. Now print question 25. What do you mean by question? Yes, question means dividation. 20 divided 5. Then what output will become? 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Then first one only. 5 4s are 20. Then what output will become for print question 25? Then output is 4 because 5 4s are 20. Now next one. Repeat 3 FD 50 RT 120. 3. Which 3 means what? Turtle have to move that time. Turtle have to move for this time. 3 means which figure having 3 sides only? This having 3 sides. This having 1 2 3 4. It having 1 2 3 4 and it is only circle. Means it must have to repeat 360, right? Means this finish, it having this both having 4 side. Means this will be not come output, right? Then here written 3. Then which output will become? This first one. Understand how to calculate the, means how to keep in mind the answers. Repeat 5. Then turtle have to turn 5 times. Means figure must have a 5 sides. FD 100, RT 72. Then which figure having 5 sides? Why 5 sides? Because here written 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This figure having 5 sides. 1 2 3 4. It having 4 sides. It is circle only. For circle we have to write 360 degree and it is not having, or it having only 2 sides and then 2 circles. Then this output will not be come here. Then which figure having 5 sides? This first one. Then output will be come this. Now repeat 180 FD1 RT1. Which figure must have to write repeat 120 for semicircle. Then which number is semicircle here? First one is only semicircle. For full circle, so we have to write 360, right? Then understand. Now we will see next number question. Draw the following figure using the repeat command on the MSW logo. We have to draw this figure in MSW logo, and for drawing this command or for drawing this figure, which command we have to pass here? We have to write this. First one is which figure it is? Triangle. Means it having only 3 sides. Then repeat 3 afterwards FD 100 RT 120. Why RT 120? Because 360 divided by 3. Then RT is 120. Now next one. How many sides? 1 2 3 4 5. Means what is it? It is pentagon. Means we have to write repeat 5 RT 100. Repeat 5 FD 100 RT 72. Why RT 72? Because 360 divided by 5. Then for this, what is it? Circle. Circle is 360 degree. That's why repeat 360 FD1 RT1. Now what it is? Which figure it is? It is hexagon, means it having a 6 sides. Means we have to write, repeat 6 FD 100 RT 60. Now next one, give this command on the MSW logo and see the output. First one is a repeat 5 FD 100 RT 144. Then what will become? This star will become. I wrote here repeat 5 FD 100 RT 144. Then this output will be displayed in logo screen. Then next one is print see you tomorrow. Print see you tomorrow. Then the output will become see you tomorrow in recall list box, not in a graphic window. Now next one is a repeat 6 and FD. Then what output will become here? Not enough input to FD, means we here in front of FD there is a, we must have to write number. The number is there? No. That's why this MSW logo not enough input to FD. Now next one is a repeat 6 FD 100 RT 72. Then it display the hexagon 6 sides. Now next one is a repeat 6 FD 50 RT 60. Then it also display the hexagon. Now next one is a repeat 180 FD1 RT1. For 180 it display the semicircle. It displays the semicircle. Then output is this. If you wrote here repeat 180 FD1 RT1. Now next one repeat 10 FD 90 RT36. It display, it having a 10 slide on it. Decagon. It is decagon. Why it is decagon? Because we wrote here repeat 10. Then it having a 10 sides. Now last one is repeat 6 FD 45 and RT 60. Then we will display, we can see this output. Now last one question is write the command in the same sequence given below and draw the figure that appear on the logo screen on the space provided. We have to see this, we have to write this command in input box in a logo, and we have to draw here what output it will display. I wrote here first one is a RT 45 FD 50 RT 90 FD 50 RT 90 FD 50 RT 90 FD 50 RT 90. See this, it is correct in your book or what? Then when we pass this command, then this type of output will be come in graphic window. This and here like a diamond. Now next one is LT 45 FD 100 LT 45 FD 100 LT 45 PU, then FD 100 RT 90, then PU, then FD 8 LT 45, then LT 45 FD 100 LT 45, FD 100, LT 45. When we pass this full command to the MSW logo, then this type of output will be displayed. Okay, for first one I read only that much, but it is from first you see in you see in your skill sheet FD 100, then RT 45, FD 100, RT 45, FD 100, RT 45, FD 50, RT 90, FD 50, RT 90, FD 50, RT 90, FD 50, RT 90. Then we can see this output. Now, what is the homework for you? Try to solve the skill sheet and learn the full form and short form for the commands or for instruction. Thank you.